Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to turn off the Gemini Google Assistant on Android. If the Gemini Google Assistant is still active on your Android device, it's often due to voice permissions being enabled, Google Assistant settings not being fully turned off, or the Gemini app continuing to use assistant features. You can fix this by disabling microphone access, turning off voice match and assistant settings, and adjusting Gemini's settings before uninstalling it completely. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now scroll down until you find Google and tap on it to check the settings. After checking, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Apps. Here scroll down the list of installed apps and tap on Google. Next, tap on Permissions to view what access is allowed. Now tap on Microphone. Here, select Don't Allow to prevent the assistant from listening. Then, confirm by tapping on Don't Allow anyway. After that, go back and open the Google app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap on Settings. Here, tap on Google Assistant. Now tap on Voice Match. Then, tap on Turn On. Here, you will see the option to remove voice recognition. Tap on Remove Voice Match from all my devices. After that, go back and tap on Gemini. Now select Open with Google or Chrome. Then scroll down and tap on Google Assistant features in Gemini. Now turn the toggle off for Use Google Assistant features, then turn it back on. After that, tap on App Info from your devices to confirm the settings. Then go back again and turn the toggle off for Use Google Assistant features to disable it. Now go back to your home screen, press and hold the Gemini app icon. Then tap on Uninstall. Finally, confirm by tapping on OK. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.